Hey everyone, Choose 5000. Gonna do a cold start of the 88 Ford New Holland 553. I'm gonna check the oil, check the antifreeze. A little 4-cylinder Kubota. Looks pretty good. Needs to be changed fairly soon. Thinking about I don't know what we got, like 30 hours. New thermostat housing. You can see it looks brand new compared to the rest of the engine. That just split on us recently, so. Alright, let's see, antifreeze. Yeah, it looks good, it's right there. Okay. Alright, let's start it. Okay, cut your throttle. This you gotta hold the preheat button. I usually turn on the key, gets the fuel pump working. About 10 seconds or so on the button. Alright, it should start. That's pretty good. Alrighty, I think that's it for now. See you later.